There you go. Make your video.
How do you make it go over and over sometimes?
Well, you have to record what you want, and then you have to put it on the computer.
Is this a video?
Yeah, you're recording the video.
Da 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 ti da ti ta ne ai ho na na ti kobo mama sana na na era galame hu ha pa shamana ha 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 da hey, do you push that button, turn it off and on to record?
To stop it, yeah.
That. Is that how you record?
Yeah, it's recording. See how that seconds are going? It's recording right now.
Papa chaka tutani hu naba
But
chaka
you gotta push
chaka.
that button to stop it. Do you want to stop it?
Yeah. Ha hu ha ho ha.
You're not pushing it hard enough.